Hello friend, welcome back to my channel TechW3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Today we will see an example of a screen flow in Salesforce. Here, if an opportunity is created on a account, then event will be created automatically through action. So after created a newly event will be assigned to the owner of account automatically. So let's jump to the Salesforce screen. I will create a live example. So this is a screen flow. As you know, if you're creating a opportunity, then some fields are mandatory. So first creating a screen. So name, stage name, and close date. These three fields are mandatory if you're creating an opportunity. Name is a string type field. So I make it required. Stage name is a pick list value. So pick list value come from choice set. So it is make it required as well. And pick list value will be come from choice set. So I'm creating a choice stage name and where choice set will fetch the value of pick list of a stage. Then close date. Close date is a date type field. So it is also a required field. So first I created a screen. Then will be create a record of opportunity. So write the name of the level of flow, then select one because I am selecting one because I am creating a one record of opportunity. Then select use separate resource, then select object name opportunity, record ID. It is a lookup field between account and opportunity. So here I am passing the record ID variable. I am creating a variable so that record ID will be stored the account of ID. Account ID, it is a lookup field value. Close date, passing the close date that is coming from screen. Field name, a name, assigned to the name, and a stage name. Stage name value will be a stage name that is coming from screen. Then done. So after create a screen, then create a record of opportunity. Will get the record of account because I am passing the owner of account to the event. So get the account first. So here I am selecting the object name account ID equal to record ID. Record ID it is the account of ID. Then I will create a event. So now I am creating action. So here is a action. Drag and drop here. In the search action, I am searching event. So select new event, write the name of the event, create event, assign to ID, the owner of the account ID. So get account dot owner ID. After that, in date time. So here will be created in date time variable in date time. Data type date and time. Pass the value month, day, year, and hours. So here will be pass month 06, day 21, 2023, comma, 4 column 45A. Done. In that time, same I creating a start date, create new resource, variable, start date, time. Select date, time, month, day, year, and hour. Month 06, day 21, 2023, comma, 5:30 A. Done. Then these fields are optional. I'm passing the related record ID. Related record ID will be passed the record ID. Record ID is account ID. Then pass the subject. Enable the subject. Create a new resource. pass the variable. API name is event subject. Data type text and pass the value created created event on account. So I am putting the value created event on account on the subject line. Done. After that, these fields are optional, so I'm not putting anything. Then done. Match the arrow. Save. After save this flow, activate this flow. After activating this, I will launching this screen flow on the account. So go to the any of the account. So this is I am opening this account. There is no event here, and in the related list there is no opportunity in this account. So I will create opportunity and event through screen flow. So copy this record ID, go to the flow. I am debugging here. Record ID will be passed account ID. So paste here. Then run. Here is the name of the opportunity. Take W3 web OPT. Stage name will be selecting first and prospecting, and close date will be 21. Then go to next. I am getting error. Now check on email what's come error. So I open this error message on my Gmail. So I am checking here. Duration, event duration can't be negative. Okay. So let me check my flow. So a start date, I am creating a new start, going to the start date. So in the variable start date, not start date time, start date. So I am editing 21 to 10, 10 6 23. Done. Then save and save it and activate this. Debug once again. Copy same ID of account. Pass the record ID of account here, then run. Here is the name of the opportunity. Take W3 wave OPT. Stage name will I'm selecting first. Close date 22 and next. Yes, as you can see, one record opportunity has been created. Now go to the account of object. Refresh this record. Now one record of event has been created. Here, created event on account, and go to the related. One opportunity has been also created. So in this scenario, I have created event and opportunity from ScreenFlow. So try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting anything issue, please write in comment box. And don't forget to check and subscribe my channel.